Okay, so now we're going to move on to the second capacitor. This is the 200 microfarads, or it was measured to be 203 microfarads. So you should see more charge for the same voltage. So what we're going to do is put the power supply back on. We're going to set the amplitude back to 2 volts. Hit the escape button. Amplitude 2 volts. So we're going to set it up like we had before. And so you should see, again, for a given voltage, you should see a clearer signal. So we're going to start as we were and see how long it takes to get noise-free signals. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to go with that one. Also not sure. All right, I think we're going to go with that one. So we got a little bit of a surge, so that's 0.0005784 that we're starting with. So let's try again. So we're going to go with that one. 0.0008487. That's too much noise. All right, so you see we got that little bump. 0.0004830. What you'll notice with the bigger capacitor is that it takes more time to charge up and to discharge. So you get more charge per voltage, or at least you should, but it may not be as obvious to see, at least initially. And that's... Okay, so we got a little bit at the end, and we might have some here, so we're gonna redo that one. All right, that one I think we can go with. So that's 0.0004786, and so it was right at the end. So it might not have been done. So let's... Okay, so that, again, right at the end. All right, so 0.0004601. So you see at 2 volts, you only get a little bit above the noise, but it's enough to get readings. All right, so now let's go to 4 volts. So this should become more clearer. Another one that was right at the end. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to increase the spike by lowering the resistance a little bit. So let's see how much difference that makes. So we'll cut it in half. So now let's try it. So you got a much more pronounced signal there. So that's 0.001204. still right at the end. And this one's also right at the end. So that was a nice one. 0006007. Yeah, I think it's too noisy. So we're back to where it's taking a while, but again, it was right at the end. Again, we're timing these exactly wrong. All right, that's nice. So that's 0.001139. That's another nice one. 0.001170. Yeah, it was noisy at the beginning. All right, that's good. 0.009065. I'm not sure why the scale reset. So we're just going to 1.5. And we'll do one more at this for good measure. All right, that's not going to work. Experiment data collection. 1.5. I'm not sure why it reset like that, but so 1.5, enter that. Sampling rate, you want 40. And let's do this again. All right, so we'll get one more at 4 volts before moving on to 6. Yeah, it's too noisy. All right, I think, no, didn't quite get all the way, so and again right at the end. All right, that was a nice one. So 0.001025. So now we're going to go to 6 volts. see it's set at 6 volts. So let's see how we can do. All right, that's too noisy. All right, we can go with that. 0.0008716. And let's see. That's too noisy. It's too noisy. That's good. 0.001654. That's another nice one. 0.0009822. And it reset again. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but we have 3. We want to set this to 1.5 and 40 sampling rates per second. And did I get the, not 15, 1.5. All right, let's try this again. So 2 more at 6. That looked like a nice one, 0.001460. We'll go with it. So that's 0.001689. So that's with 6 volts. Now we're going to go to 8 volts. And we might have to change the scale for this. And so why don't we? We're going to go 0.03 at the top and negative 0.03 at the bottom. But we can still use that integral, so that's 0.001948. And again, you're going to take the average of your 5 values, multiply that by 1,000,000 so it's in microcoulombs. If you put it in microcoulombs, then the slope you get on your graph is going to be in microfarads. So that's 1. Yeah, that's too noisy. 0.002398. 0.003142. That's right at the end. That's too noisy. That was a nice one. 0.002265. Too much noise. Too much noise. No, right at the end. Oh, that's a really nice one. 0.02570. that's a nice one. 001661. I think we'll do one more for good measure because I lost count. A little too much noise. There's a nice one. 0.001673. So that's 8 volts, and now we move on to 10. Oh, that was a nice one. Okay. 0.002692. .002329. .002127. Yeah, it got noisy at the end. .003326. We're gonna go with, no. The other thing I think we need to do is zero out the current probe again. Okay. All right. So I think we're taking 2 more of these. And that's not going to be one of them. That's a really nice one. So 0.002516. And then last but not least, hopefully, .002519. So that's the last of the, with the 200 microfarad capacitor. And again, before handling it, what you're going to do, set the amplitude to 0 volts. Let it go for a couple of seconds. This will discharge the capacitor. Now you can turn this off and disconnect it safely.